In this session, we'll focus on location management. Locations represent the physical places where your machines are installed. Every machine must be assigned to a location, so setting this up correctly is essential. Locations also determine how your monitoring map works and when alerts are triggered. Let's go step by step.
To open the Location section, click Settings and then select Locations. Here you'll see a list of all locations currently entered in the system. To create a new location, click the green New Location button in the top right corner. Start by entering the location name. Next, begin typing the address. The address field is connected to Google Maps, so suggestions will appear automatically as you type. Adding accurate GPS coordinates is important. Without them, the monitoring map will remain empty. In this step, you can also assign the location to a client that you previously created. Below that, you'll find the option to define working hours. This allows you to control when alerts should be sent. For example, you may want alerts only during operational hours. Under Additional Settings, you can enter further details such as location type, responsible person, refiller information. These details help your team understand who manages the site and what type of environment the machines operate in. Once everything is completed, click Save. Your new location is now ready, and machines can be assigned to it.